In this video, we're going to take a walk to a school. We're going to buy fries from a trailer. We're going to review a Mahindra. We're going to review a JAC T9. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and welcome back to the channel. So on Saturday, I was invited to a hockey tournament in a school just around the corner, and I decided to go there to review the JAC T9 that was there for display. Okay, sharp. So when I got there, there were about 4 or 5 trailers that were selling food, and I decided to get some fries and just support local businesses. I think it's just the right thing to do. So while I was there, I got an opportunity to review this old Mahindra. We have this digital display. There's really nothing much, just the speedometer. And then you have the gear lever, and then you have this air conditioning system. There is no electric windows, and then you have this thing, I think, to hold on during bumpy rides, I think. But yeah, there's really nothing much. It's just a Mahindra. I think this car was just made to work. It's a workhorse, so it was not made for comfortability, but at least you have leather seats here, which is it's a bonus, really. Yeah, there's really nothing much. I'm not sure if you have an airbag. I'm not sure about that, but the gear lever seems solid. I'll just confirm which year this Mahindra is, and then I'll put it on the screen. I actually found out today that the Mahindra is assembled here in South Africa in KZN. This bakkie can load up to 1.9 tons if I'm not mistaken, and it is currently used to pull that trailer on the left. JAC is a Chinese manufacturing company that was founded in 1964, initially manufacturing trucks and buses. Over time, the company started to manufacture SUVs, bakkies, and even electric cars. This T9 has a 2-liter turbo diesel engine, and it produces 125 kilowatts and 410 Newton meters of torque. It comes with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. You can choose between the 4x2 or the 4x4. The interior comes with a 10.4-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, lane keeping assist, blind spot warning, and tire pressure monitoring. This model comes with leather seats and a sunroof. It has a USB port in the front and back and a 12V power socket. The JAC T8 comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. It has a 2-liter turbo engine that produces 104 kilowatts and 320 Newton meters of torque. The Wildtrak comes with a 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine that produces 154 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters of torque. The Hilux GR Sport has a 2-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 165 kilowatts and 550 Newton meters of torque. The JAC produces less power, and it is priced less compared to its competitors. Let me know which one would you prefer between the Wildtrak, the Hilux GR Sport, and the JAC T9. Bear in mind that the JAC is priced less compared to its competitors.